tradisjoner i Norge. Tradisjoner for alle fortelle om rett og urett. Jeg vil gjerne fortelle dere som er her i dag, noe om hva som skjer i Syria i dag, og hvordan det hele startet. The Syrian revolution started by the graffiti down with Bashar al-Assad at an elementary school in Daraa city in the south of Syria, which written by some children. The authorities arrested 15 children and tortured them. People in Daraa went to the political security branch and asked to release those children. But the head of branch, the Brigadier General Atif Najib, who is a cousin of President Bashar al-Assad, said to the people, forget your children or beget new children. If you cannot make sex with your women, send them to us and we make them pregnant. The Syrian uprising is an ongoing internal violent conflict in Syria. It is a part of the wider Arab Spring, a wave of upheaval through the Arab world. Public wider spring, a wave of upheaval through the Arab world. Public demonstration began on 15th March 2011 and developed into a nationwide uprising. Protesters demand the regimes of President Bashar al-Assad, the over of his government, and end the nearly 5 decades of al-Ba'ath rule in Syria. The Syrian regime deployed the Syrian army to quell the uprising, and several cities were besieged in Homs, Idlib, Daraa, Deir ez-Zor, and others. The soldiers who refused to open fire on the civilians were summarily executed by the Syrian army. The Syrian government denied reports of defenses and blamed armed gangs for causing trouble. According to our sources, up to 14,000 people have been killed, 900 kids, 660 women, more than 100,000 people have been arrested. Tens of thousands of refugees in Turkey, Jordan, and Lebanon. 400 children have been arrested and tortured in Syrian prisons. Additionally, over 600 detentions and political prisoners have died under torture in Syrian prisons. Syrian regime are using until now all kinds of weapons, the heavy weapons, tanks, missiles, helicopters, fighters, and other kind of medium and light weapons. Many videos, pictures show all the weapons. Many people have been killed, activists, journalists, normal and civil people. In spite of the Kofi Annan's plan to stop killing people in Syria, the Syrian regime is still killing civilians and never respect the ceasefire. More than 700 people have been killed since ceasefire started. 16 women and 41 children have been killed during this ceasefire since 12th of April 2012. We need help from all the world to stop killing our people in Syria. We are a nation like any nation in the world. We are suffering a lot from Al-Assad family, who is making power for more than 40 years in Syria. It is change time. We want Syria to be free and democratic country, and our people to be safe and free. Syrian people have a right to get their freedom, dignity, and happiness. Jeg takker for muligheten for å få snakke til dere i dag, på 1. mai, og håper at fremtiden i Syria også vil gi muligheten for at vi kan gå i tog 1. mai og stille rettferdige krav i gatene uten å være redd for kvinner, barn og vår egen frihet. Gratulerer med dagen, alla Kragerø.